Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now. Hold the focus ball at arm's length, centered between your eyes and nose. Focus on one tiny seam or sticker. Blink naturally to avoid strain. Once done, slowly move the ball halfway closer while keeping that tiny point sharp. This first step trains your near focus and builds awareness of convergence. Make sure to breathe steadily. Exhale as you move the ball in, inhale returning outward, and keep head stable so your eyes do the work, not your neck. Once you can hold clarity at near range, begin controlled progressions. Move the ball toward your nose until you sense double, then back it off slightly. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds to build stable convergence. Next, alternate between the ball and a distant marker for 10 reps. This dynamic shift trains accommodation and reduces latency. Make sure to include slow circular and diagonal movements to engage different eye muscles. Only increase speed when images remain single and comfortable. Otherwise, slow down and repeat. To finish, move the ball back to arm's length and focus on a distant object for 1 minute to reset accommodation. Once done, palm your eyes gently for 30 seconds to relax the muscles. If you experience headaches or increasing double vision, stop and rest. Make sure to reduce intensity. Fewer reps, slower moves, greater distance. Finally, if double vision or pain persists beyond a session, consult an eye care professional to rule out underlying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.